What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RayzRT here, back again with another video. And today we're gonna be doing shotgun only challenge. I hope I sound better in this video. So yeah, let's just get started. Just playing creative, getting a little practice in. But I changed my name too. It's something weird, you know. I just like the fact that on Nintendo Switch you can have your name changed, so I just changed stuff weird. So yeah. I know people wondering, like, this video gonna be up late. I mean, I say up late, early in the morning, cause I'm recording at night, so it's like 4 in the morning, but it's cool. I just thought it was kind of silent, but it is some music playing outside, but it's still kind of silent in the house, so it's the best time to make a video. And plus, I can get up close to the phone now. Hope I sound very better in this video. Because I just was looking at my other videos and I seen that even with the TV at medium volume, you can't really hear me. So I'm going to try to speak up in this video and get this done. Shotgun only. No use in any gun, other guns. Same place. Oh, I don't know why I just went this low. I missed the lane. Oh, shotgun. I gotta remember I'm doing shotgun on. So it's not gonna be too hard. As long as I got a combat, I'll be okay. And some shield, definitely. Gotta keep the shield on me. Don't even need the ammo. That's crazy. Soon I started the video, the music stopped. So I don't know why I didn't take these yet. I think I was trying to find more shield. But where is that dude at? Where is he at? Why did not then show the direction of him shoot? Where is oh, there you go. I legit couldn't see him at first. Good kill, good kill, good kill. Gotta do that scenario. Toxic for real. I think I seen a big part down here. I seen a big part right here. I seen it. I know. I'm finna say. I just came from up there. How did they? Ain't even one question. There he is. Whoa. Okay. That's exactly why I don't like the drum gun like that. Even though it's fast firing, it's still you have to have the mark on. And then if I had a combat, he was gonna be dead in 2 shots. So That's crazy. See, that's why I can't stand that drum shotgun. I don't even know why they got it in the game still. Like, dude, that gun is not even good for real. Only in, like, the real beginning game. Like, soon you drop down and you want to shoot fire somebody up. That's a cool gun to use, I guess, but the combat's still better because 2 shots, they gone. Or even 1 shot, you just gotta hit him in the head. But most likely you're gonna get the 2 ticks right there. And they did. Guess I'm gonna hop back into another one because that's crazy. If I had to combat, he would have been dead. Like man, that's crazy. I should have looked for a shotgun. I think I seen one, but I didn't go grab it. But next time I gotta look for another shotgun before I, start going to trying to kill somebody. And then I should have built and got a little closer to him. And then I probably would have killed him in 4 shots. Yeah. But gotta learn from your mistakes, right? But this is what I'm working with at the moment. Yeah, I felt the last game was gonna be a good game. I felt I should have got that kill. But everything don't work out in your favor. Lose that. No. I said I couldn't use grenades. Let's get it. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, boy. Oh, my God. Oh, no, I gotta find a shotgun. I think I seen footsteps. Go. Please. Shotgun ammo, shotgun nearby, no. I can't believe I just got that kill. You ran right into the grenades, too. You so dumb for that. I can use these. Come on. Shotgun, where are you? Oh, there we go. Now we back in the game. Even though I don't like tax, it's the best we got at the moment. Shield. I could have grabbed that. I don't know why I didn't grab it. I just let it slip away. Be everything I can get. Woo! Need to get mats, need to get mats, material. I think the player right above me. Who would not break the wood? I don't know if you're right above me. You definitely finna be now. I think. Wait, I hear him. Wait. Am I blind or something? Where is he at? Oh, are you kidding me, boy? I'm not about to go up here. Can I go down, though? course he leaves, of course. Nah, this is my little buddy. He legit just left. Oh, thank God. Oh my God. It's definitely a win. Come on, stop deploying the dang glide. All I need now is more shield. And definitely more mats. So definitely gonna be doing some building. I don't know why I didn't just run out the shroom. I thought he was finna pull out the shotgun and blast me when I was coming down. That's why I built. I don't know why he didn't do it. I guess he's just not a good player. I don't know. Definitely some action going on over here. Let's get into it. If only they still had gliders in here. Why would they remove gliders? Like, that's one thing that was kind of stupid with Fortnite. Whatever. What's this? Right here, buddy. Right here, buddy. Right here, buddy. Right here, buddy. I'm right here, buddy. How you doing, buddy? Buddy. Need that combat. See, I would kill them right away if I had the combat. Definitely bots. Definitely. Not saying no, I'm just saying it's a lie. For real. I don't know why I'm not batting up more. I could have mattered up a lot of the metal. 17, 16 people remain. Is that a chug? Yes, sir. Definitely. I knew that was a mech. Need that 50. I know people be like this dumb, but nope. I don't care. If you wanna fight, you need 200 HP. I don't care. I don't care. You need 200 HP. I'm not trying to hear it. You can't tell me otherwise. I do not feel comfortable without 200 HP. So, anybody can argue, for real. I'm ready. Whoa, he's definitely lagging. I don't know why it made me build like that. I just felt like he was finna turn that corner and just really overbuild. Thank you for the mats though. Like, thank you for the mats. Like, it's so easy to find like people. Like, they just be running around on here. People always tell me that I switch over to other cons to get easier wins, but yet it still be the same type of people in the lobbies on other games. Actually, I hear Mac. Where is he? Wait. Why it's not telling me what direction it's in? Definitely finna go destroy this thing. Can we not, like, don't look down here. Hey, I said shotguns only, and the mech got a shotgun. Ain't that crazy? That's included in the mech, you feel me? Can you, like, stop running? Like, look at this, like. I'm not going over there. Got launch. I got 4 launch pads. Let's get up. I'm finna be getting out of there. On God, right here, I'm finna be gone. God don't care. I'm finna be gone. Everybody know me that I be getting out of there for real. I'm finna be gone. Ooh, need these, baby. One minute gone, one hurting. Keep 9-9 too. I need a storm sniper. I don't need to use, I just need to look at what a storm is. For real. It's definitely 2 mechs around here. Don't got time for them. He sound like he legit right here. Like, them things is that loud? Wait, he is. He gotta be right here. I knew it. Hey, you ain't hear nothing. Hey, you ain't see nothing. Get up the... Are you serious right now, gang? Hey, you ain't see nothing. What you running for? You see him know what you running for. You're definitely out of there. No! I'm out of there! I told you. Bro, what y'all on me? What y'all on with me though? Oh my god, it is legit people everywhere. What he on with me, y'all? For real, what he was on with me? Need that loot right there, sir. Hey, sir, I know you over there. Where you at? Hey, thanks for that loot, though. Need that. You good, sir? You good, sir? You good, sir? You good? I know. I quit. Hey, fine. I don't need 12 minutes. Come here. Oh, man. Look at all this nice loot. If I lose this game, boy, you know how mad I'm gonna be. Hey, you ready for the build battle, my guy? Oh, he boxed right up. He boxed right up. They don't feel like fight for real, Joe. Like, you can stay down now. I really don't. Oh, my phone finna die. I really don't feel like it. Like I don't feel like fighting him right now. Like, I'm finna legit see where the store finna go. I thought he was shooting at me, boy. What you doing out here, sir? Oh, I gotta kill him. I have to. Who? Oh my God, where? Let's shoot some brick. Bro, I swear to God, that bullet almost hit me, bro. That just scared me, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. My bad for all the camping, but I don't got time for everybody Trying to 4th, 5th, 7th party me right now. Oh yeah, he ready for it. He gonna be ready for that bill battle when I kill him. I'm gone. Y'all see me though? Hey, don't use my launch pad though. I'm going for that ultimate low ground. Give me that heal right now. That's a kill! Let's get it, boy. Hey, I'm gonna go, my guy. Alright, that's the video. Shotgun on. Y'all see me. 7 kills. Legit. One of the best in those Switch players in the world. No, I'm just playing. Yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Go give me a shout out, man. We're trying to go viral with this. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.